Hey, how's it going, kids? This is Dr. Callahan with Week 9 Friday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following question. Now, today is Week 9 Friday, and as you guys know, your warm-up block is due. So if you're not with me in person because of Hybrid Day, you can go ahead and grade it with me, and then we will go ahead and turn it in on Monday, Week 10. And that's when I will also give you the brand new warm-up log. All right, so looking at this part right here, last time I saw you guys, we talked about line plots, frequency table, and histogram. So go ahead and take a look at the differences. And what I want you guys to do is turn over to the very last page of your warm-up log. You should have this little table in front of you. I want you guys to go ahead and fill out this table. First thing I'm going to do is count the warm-up log. So how many boxes have you guys completed? You should have somewhere around like 100. And then put the numbers right here. Next, I'm going to talk about the participation, okay? So have you been participating through the YouTube video? Have you been checking in with me on the hybrid days? And also, are you tardy, absent when we're in person? So give me what do you think you deserve out of 100 and provide 2 sentences justifying your response. Pause the video. All right, next we're going to go on to preparation. Are you prepared for class? Like electronics away, you have your white guided notes in addition to your green warm-up log out every single day. Give me what you think you deserve out of 100 and then 2 sentences explaining. Lastly, I want you guys to go ahead and give me your total out of 300. And then go ahead and turn over to this last page on the right side. Give me your reflection. And be prepared to turn this in on Monday and grab the new warm-up log from me on Monday. All right, so with that said, I will be giving you guys a brand new warm-up log on Monday, and this will be until the end of the semester, which is week 19 Friday, so until December, and it is the same 300 points and requirements. So let's go ahead and jump into today's stuff. When I did see you guys last time, we talked about central tendency and box and whisker plots. Today, we're going to go ahead and look into histograms of box and whisker plots and compare all 3 different types of charts together with advantages and disadvantages of using them. Okay, so I want you guys to go ahead and turn over to this page right now in class. This is for week 9, Friday, on your white guided notes. This is going to be an in-class practice I'm going to have you guys do, and also your assignments. All right, so with that said, turn over to this part right here on the chart. We're going to fill in the advantages and disadvantages. So the dot plot is a record of distinct categorical data. You use X's and dots for each of the data. Advantages is that it's quick, it shows range, and it determines an exact value. Disadvantages is not visually appealing, best for data under 50, and then has a small range. So pause the video and copy that part down. Just the highlighted parts in yellow, blue, and green. And this is an example of dot plots, like how many of each color of M&Ms are in a package. Although I don't think you actually have that many M&Ms in a package. That looks like 4 different packages of M&Ms. All right, so next what I want you to do is go to this side right here. Describe how it is set up. I want you to analyze the chart. Next one we're going to go on to is histogram. Okay, histogram right here. This is our second one right there in the middle. There we go. A histogram is a type of bar graph that displays continuous data, and you use columns called intervals. Advantages is that it is visually strong because it's very pleasing to look in the eye. You do compare normal curves and their frequency count of items. Some disadvantages is that you cannot read exact values from the histogram. It's more difficult to compare, and it only uses continuous data. So take a look at the average score of SAT math scores with a histogram. It looks like majority of the people scored around the 500 or 520 section. Or this could be like the actual score of finals out of 100 points. And in this case, it looks like a lot of people scored really, really well. And it's actually a positive skew, not a negative positive. So then what I want you guys to do here is describe how the histogram is set up and analyze the chart. Third one that we have here, going to be on the very last one, you guys, is a box plot. And a box plot basically shows 5 points of summary, and it can be drawn side to side. And a box and whisker plot uses what we just used yesterday, which was the median, upper quartile, lower quartile, biggest number, smallest number. The advantages is that it does show a 5-point summary, and the 5-point summary is median, upper quartile, lower quartile, max, min, biggest number, smallest number. It is easily compared, and it also handles large numbers. Some of the disadvantages of this is it's not visually as appealing, and other than the max, min, biggest, smallest number, and median, you can't really determine any other data besides those 5 points. So looking at this right here, take a look and tell me, what do you notice about how it's set up, and analyze how it is constructed. So describe and analyze the chart. All right, so here are some test scores. What is the median of both classes? What is the highest score on the math class and the lowest? I can say that Miss Flack's class median is about 85%. Dr. Callahan's median is about 70%. Miss Flack's lowest score on the test was from 50%, which is actually not bad. Dr. Callahan's is 40%, so mine's is a little bit lower. The highest score Miss Flack received from her class is, I don't know, like a 98%. Dr. Callahan got 100%. All right. So with that said, what I'm gonna have you guys do now is we are going to do a little bit of practices, and I want you guys to go ahead and turn over to this page right here. Get started with a central tendency, the mean median mode and range of the ski jumps. And then when you're done with that, you guys have 3 extra practices right here on the side. So make sure you guys pause the video and answer those questions. If you are done with them, you can go ahead and take a look at my answers right here. Don't just copy them down. Make sure you actually understand what it is you're doing. And then take a look at my answers on the left side for the 3 practices. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful week and weekend, and I will see you guys next time. As always, stay safe and healthy. Take care.